Times versus Sullivan case. It relates to Martin Luther King, and Martin Luther King having been jailed in Birmingham, and an advocacy group in his behalf bought an ad in the New York Times, and the headline of the ad was "Heed Their Rising Voices," and it was amplifying Martin Luther King and his followers, their complaints about segregation and about being denied voting rights and those sort of things. And it made a number of statements about Martin Luther King and about him having been arrested. Some of those statements were actually factually incorrect. And so in particular, the police commissioner of Birmingham, Alabama, a guy named Sullivan, took offense, and he claimed that it had defamed his character. He sued the New York Times that had published this advertisement, and the case went to trial, and there was a jury verdict that was returned with a judgment of $500,000 in damages. But that case got appealed all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court, and the court said, well, when a public official, such as the police commissioner of Birmingham, Alabama, or other public officials bring a case claiming that their reputation has been defamed, they have a higher burden of proof.